tile floor. The tiles we will be using are 2x2, but they are also available in 2x4. The tile is 5/8 of an inch thick. A beveled edge, shown here, is an add-on option. Horizontal and vertical channels used for electrical cords. This is yet another add-on option to consider. We will be setting up a 10x20 floor. It is best to organize your tiles so they are easily accessible. You will see what we mean as the floor comes together. These high-quality Comfort Flex vinyl tiles have anti-fatigue properties. Comfort Flex vinyl tiles are an exclusive product of K&S International. Congratulations! Your floor is now complete.